now I would like to talk about historical things that happened during medieval and modern times. So to start off, I would like to talk about Mughal Empire. And Mughal Empire was a country or a strong empire that ruled most of the South Asia nations during 16th to 18th century. We could see how large the country is, and we can also look that it looks strong. It has a lot of land, a big land, and a lot of territory. Also, if we take a look at the origin of this country, it says Babur, who is a descendant of Timur, had become a new leader of India. And after he became the leader, he had conquered Delhi and Agra, which were the other two separated nations, and he conquered the other two countries, Delhi and Agra, and united India. So this combination of three countries has made this Mughal Empire. This country also covered up Afghanistan's land a little bit, which made the country more tremendous. Yeah. And in addition, Mughal Empire had the most influence in history when King Akbar dynasty ruled Mughal Empire. So Akbar king himself was Muslim, but he also respected the Hindu people which were living in Mughal Empire, so they had a fair relationship between the two religions, which made the country flow very well. However, like most ancient empires, Mughal Empire also got weak, and especially after king, his name is Aurangzeb, and after he died, there was a lot of big and small conflict, not in the outer part of the country, but also in the inner part. So some of the parts in this empire tried to make an independence of themselves to get freedom, and eventually around 18th century, eventually Mughal Empire collapsed.